Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I, Namira Fatma from Arid University, Rawalpindi. Today my topic of presentation is Microsoft Excel. Objectives: to define spreadsheets and explain basic functionality. To introduce the basic features of Excel. Vocabulary: entering data, formatting data, precision versus display, operators, and order of precedence. Spreadsheet: electronic sheet of paper organized by columns and rows. The advantage of an electronic spreadsheet is it allows you to easily change data and have all related calculations automatically updated. Spreadsheets in Excel are referred to as worksheet. A workbook file may contain any worksheets. Each box is referred to as a cell. Cells may contain labels, values, or formulas that result in a value or label. A cell is identified first by its column, letter, and then by its row number. One can also write formulas that refer to cells on other worksheets. File tab. Open menus for opening and saving files and modifying Excel options. Quick access toolbar can be customized to include icons or to frequently used features such as print preview. Home ribbon. Used to change font, justify text, insert rows, etc. Ribbons are organized into groups of similar tasks, such as the font group or the number group. In addition, there are other ribbons containing groups, button for laying out pages using the review features, etc. Highlight your data, select a chart type, and edit, and it's done. The power of using spreadsheet applications. Each entry can be related to other values by including cells, referencing, and formulas. Formula values are automatically updated when a referenced value changes. Formulas can be copied, parts can be easily generated. Formulas. A formula is a sequence of values, cell references, and operators that produce a new value. ET plus 3 star E10 minus E11. Formulas always start with an equal sign. In addition, a formula can also contain built-in functions like sum, average, if, quantif, etc. Things you need to know when writing formulas in Excel. Data precision versus cell display, types of operators that can be used, order of precedence of operators. In order to write Excel formulas, we also need to use the correct operator symbols. Formulas contain two types of component. Operators, operation to be preferred. Arithmetic operators, relation operators. Operand, values to be operated. Precision, number of decimal places stored in the computer. Formatted display, number of decimal places that appear in a cell. Formatting affects display, not the precise value. Values can also be used to display dates. Dates are values that can be entered in several formats. Excel converts these days to a numerical representation. Thus, dates may be used in formulas. Walkthrough: building a simple spreadsheet, entering labels and values, formatting cells, font, size, style, color, borders, and alignment. Numeric format: concurrency, decimal places, text trap, center titles, column widths, row height. Inserting, deleting rows and columns and sheets, writing a simple formula and modify decimal display. Create a simple chart. Sheet tab. Creating a new worksheet in a workbook. New section in document, naming sheets. Microsoft Excel vocabulary. Workbook. An Excel file with one or more sheets or pages. Worksheet. Page in the workbook. Ribbon. Tabbed section containing command icons. Row. Horizontal. Column. Vertical. Cell. Column. Row combinations. Values. Numeric entries in calculation. Labels. Text that describes the data. Active cell. Cell currently in use. Formula bar. Top to spreadsheet where Excel displays the value of formula for that cell. Follow assignment. Format menu. You can change the colors, border, size, alignment, and font of a certain cell by going to the cell option in the format menu. Entering formulas. When entering numerical data, you can command Excel to do any mathematical function. Start each formula with an equal sign. To enter the same formulas for a range of cells, use the colon sign. Addition formulas. To add cells together, use the plus sign. To sum up a series of cells, highlight the cells, then click the auto sum button. The answer will appear at the bottom of the highlighted box. Entering formulas. Subtraction formulas. To subtract cells, use the sign. Division formulas. To divide the cell, use this sign. Multiplication formulas. To multiply the cell, use the star sign. Tips for entering data. To highlight a series of cells, click and drag the mouse over the desired area. To move a highlighted area, click on the border of the box and drag the box to the desired location. You can sort data alphabetically, numerically, etc. by highlighting cells, then pressing the sort shortcut key. Tips for entering data. You can cut and paste to move data around. To update your worksheets, you can use the Find and Replace action under the Edit menu. To change the order of worksheets, click and drag the Worksheet tab to the desired word. Thanks to all of you.